In front of me is Redmi A5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to tap on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again to access Vibration and Haptics section. Now tap on the switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, click on those switchers next to those features to enable or disable vibrations for them, like ring vibration. And if you enable this one, you can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate first, then ring gradually to enable this option as well. Notification vibration and alarms, touch and media. When you finished, just go back. Now scroll all the way down to hit additional settings at the very bottom and tap on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!